In this video, I will show you how to reset Microsoft Teams. If you have issues with Microsoft Teams, such as freezing and crashing, a simple step to try is resetting Microsoft Teams. This process will clear cached data and settings, resolving temporary glitches and restoring Teams to a functional state. Before resetting Microsoft Teams, right-click on the Microsoft Teams icon on the taskbar and select Quit Teams to completely close Microsoft Teams. Now click on Start button and go to Settings. Click on Apps. Here search Microsoft Teams. Click on Microsoft Teams. Then select Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Reset. And click Reset again. Done. Now open Microsoft Teams. And sign in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.